Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add email on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. To add the email button on your profile page, you have to switch your Instagram profile to a professional profile. So to do that, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down to Account Type and Tools and tap that. And then click Switch to Professional Account. Then click Continue, 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 and Continue. And in this page, you will have to choose the category that best fits your profile. So as for me, I just chose personal blog and click Done. And in here, doesn't really matter, so click Next and your account is now a professional account. And you go back to your profile, you will see a professional dashboard right here. So from here, you can now add your email by clicking at Edit Profile and find Contact Options and click that. Then you can now input your email at the business email text field and click Save. And then make sure that in Profile Display, the toggle button beside Display Contact Info is turned on, and then click Done. And click Done once again to save the settings. And as you can see in your profile, there is an email button, and that's how you can add an email to your Instagram account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!